Yo, how does that song go? And the trumpets, they go.
And the trumpets, they go. And the trumpets, they go. And the trumpets, they go. Oh, oh. Yeah, the drums, they swing low. And the trumpets, they go.
Guys,
And the trumpets, they go. Yeah, the trumpets, they go.
ano ito itatapat?
They go. Is it weird that I hear violence when
拜。
请由后门离开。
各位。Thank you.
Vermithusle kiri.
Video pala to. Sinan po kami guys. Sinundan kami ni... Thank you. Wala pa.
Tadi
Oh. Oh, si Yan. Okay.
oh, oh. Yeah, the drums, they swing low. And the trumpets, they go.
Oh, super big.
And they play for you, girl. And the trumpets, they go. Yeah. Yeah, the trumpets, they go. Yeah, the trumpets, they go. Go, 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 go. They go. Damn, is it weird that I hear?
Boya, boya. Pabili nga po, boya. Gusto mo ba to? Amba, ayoko nga. James, nauuha ka na ba? Oo, nauuha na yung pitan mo.
So ano? Ayaw mo na? Pagod ka na? Ayaw mo na?
Pagod na pagod na pagod na
Vlog takeover!
So what is up? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Parapop 50th floor mga kaibigan. So nakikita natin, pinasok na natin yung hotel card. Ngayon, pinag-aaralan ko kung paano i-adjust yung aircon. Kasi kahit ibaba ko guys, nagbe-blink-blink lang siya in 5, 4, 3, bumalik na. 3 seconds pa lang. Ngayon, nakikita natin, may makeup room. Hanapin nyo kung nasan yung makeup room. Meron yung do not disturb. At ito yung on and off na entrance for lock, I think.
Okay.
So, nakikita natin dito ngayon, 2, 4, 6, dahil 6 kami. Oops, Nescafe, baka naman. Yan. So, before kami umuwi, guys, dumaan muna kami sa Ximending, Taiwan #1. Hey! Kala nyo, China #1, Taiwan #1. So, yun guys, ang tingnan lang, no? So, bumili kami, may previous na ganito. Saka stickers. Yun. So, nakikita natin, ang goods naman, no? Meron tayo dito ng mini ref or what ba ito? Mini ref. Mini ref. Wala pang laman. So, ayan, nakikita natin, no? Spacious. Spacious ang ating bedroom. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, if I'm not mistaken, queen size bed. Mga kaibigan, queen size bed. So, nakikita namin dito, no? Kung gusto niyo ng indoor-indoor, joke lang. Actually, flexing lang sila ng Taiwan cuisine. Uy, may nahulog pa nga mga kaibigan. At meron tayong libreng bookmark. Bookmark. So, syempre, this unit comes with a remote. It's a little power on. This one, power up. Okay? It's a stand. Oh, sorry, just Japanese. Sorry. Okay, the TV is not turning on. I don't know what's the problem. Oh, it's just delayed. Okay. We Chinese people, we like to make it delay things. You know. On your right, you can see there's a light. There's a light. You can pop and pop. Okay. You see? If you want to sing, if you want to scare your roommates, like this. Start it down. We have 2 sockets right here. If you want to charge your phone. And there's no reception. What did they do? I don't know. So come here, my sister. You got the Proton TV. It's working, but I don't know how to operate as of the moment. And you got this Econabi. Okay, let's plug this one. I think
Air
it's
purifier.
dehumidifier or air purifier.
So, ikaw mag-set.
Sama Shinkanho on. See? That's how you do it, everybody. Next step, let it be. You have trash can here. You got some cabinet, built-in cabinets, you know, with some lights. You can turn this on. Rather.
Oh, CR na. Sarado mo muna.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Right here, you can see the masterpiece of the bedroom. There's the 2. Here's a 1 step. Okay. Let's test it out. So cold. Hot lah. No, it's the same. It's the same. Okay, so we have some mirror right here. If you want to. Okay, on the left side, you get the toilet.
Okay.
The throne. Okay. On the right side, you get the shower. You know, it's here in Taiwan right now. Yes, that's end.